Let's take out the Lego nail. This one was a lot harder than it looks because I wanted to make it functional. Oh, oops. You can tell I didn't play with Lego much. Sour Patch Kids. This one didn't go bad at all. It's still looking pretty good. The back side. I worked so hard shaping this. I remember that day. Here's a normal looking nail. This is that one I did with the hole punchers. This one was really cool. It kind of reminded me of a mermaid. And a lot of you really like this M&M nail. Let's flip it over. It didn't go bad or anything. Here's the back side. I worked very hard on this one. I remember when I made this.